Good morning to everyone. Let's continue with the chapter which have already been started, and today's point is from where are going to start is agricultural development case studies. Agricultural developments. Agriculture is the most widespread occupation in the world. It fulfills our basic requirements as well as provides raw material for industries. More land is brought under cultivation, multiple cropping is practiced, but more so modern technology is adopted to increase the crop production. With the help of case studies from India and USA, we shall compare the agricultural development in developing and developed countries of the world. Farming in India, a farm in West Bengal and a farm in Punjab. Agriculture occupies an important position in Indian economy since ancient time. It provides livelihood to nearly 65% of working population. Agriculture is the main source of raw material for India's leading industries like cotton and jute, textiles and sugar. Rice, fruits, vegetables, marine products, cashew nuts, spices, tobacco, tea and coffee are India's major exports. Major features of Indian agriculture. Number 1. Cropping pattern and practices vary in the farm throughout India. For example, Harihar is a farm in West Bengal. The most common form of agriculture here and in most part of India is of intensive subsistence type. Rice is the main crop here. In some parts of northeast, shifting cultivation is practiced. Sarju is a farmer in Punjab. With progress in agriculture, commercial farming has developed rapidly in his state and in other areas of north and northwestern India. Wheat is the staple food and main agricultural items for trade in his farm. Second, plantation farming. Plantation farming is mainly found in southern India and in the northeast. Tea, coffee, coconut, banana, sugarcane, rubber and spices are grown in the plantations. The main agricultural products produced by both Harihar and Sarju are food grains, mainly rice and wheat. Rice is in West Bengal and wheat is in Punjab. India is now self-sufficient in food grain production. Number 3. Average farm size. In India, farm size is very small, about 2 hectares or less, because excessive dependence on limited agricultural land. Second, Such small plots are uneconomic and affected productivity. Fourth, dependence on monsoon rains. In India, agriculture is dependent on monsoon. Failure of monsoon brings down agricultural production. The severe drought had put the poor farmers in such pitiable condition that they killed themselves. Number 6. Irrigation facilities. Irrigation facilities through irrigation schemes and multi-purpose river projects have brought larger areas under cultivation. The Indira Gandhi Canal has changed some area of arid desert into green agricultural field. Government has taken many initiatives in improving agriculture. Since the mid 1960s, the traditional agricultural practices were gradually replaced on modern technology. The Green Revolution brought rapid progress in agriculture. New techniques, better irrigation, modern machines, varieties of seeds, etc. Double cropping, multiple cropping, and crop rotation have improved production. Better marketing facilities are available in India. Number 8. Regional disparities. In India, regional disparities, development of agriculture. The success of Green Revolution was felt mainly in the northern and northwestern state of India. That is why Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh are the leading state in commercial production of wheat, rice, pulses, sugarcane and long staple cotton. The agricultural calendar shows two main cropping seasons. Kharif crops. Kharif crops are those which are grown in summer. Example, rice, jute and cotton. Rabi crops. Rabi crops are winter crops. Example, wheat, barley and mustard. Number 8. Livestock rearing for milk. Livestock rearing from milk received a boost because of success of White Revolution. The improvement and increase in milk production due to formation of milk cooperative like Amul in Gujarat, commercialized dairying. Rapid development has taken place in Indian agriculture. Thank you, student. We will discuss farming in the USA in our next class.